Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into what I believe are the 3 ETFs you should strongly consider investing in for 2026. These ETFs target cutting-edge sectors, long-term growth, artificial intelligence, and the backbone of modern technology. We're talking about VGT, Vanguard Information Technology ETF, FTEC, Goldman Sachs Market Beta US Large Cap Equity ETF, FTEC, Fidelity MSCI Information Technology Index ETF. These aren't hype picks. These are data-backed, performance-proven, structurally strong ETFs that could help position you for major gains in 2026 and beyond. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. Why 2026 is a critical year. Before we break down the ETFs, let's understand the bigger picture. 2026 will be shaped by several key forces: artificial intelligence expansion across every industry, semiconductors becoming the new oil, powering everything from EVs to robotics, cloud computing and automation scaling at record levels, record high corporate investment in digital transformation. Because of this, tech-focused ETFs with broad diversification and strong fundamental weighting are set to benefit massively. ETF number 1, VGT, Vanguard Information Technology ETF. VGT is one of the most popular technology ETFs in the world. It tracks the MSCI US Investable Market Information Technology Index. This ETF gives you exposure to cloud computing, artificial intelligence, software as a service, semiconductors, data centers, fintech, cybersecurity. Basically, VGT is the heart of American technology innovation. Top holdings breakdown. Here are the major players inside VGT: Apple, AAPL, Microsoft, MSFT, NVIDIA, NVDA, Broadcom, AVGO, Adobe, ADBE, Salesforce, CRM, Intuit, INTU. These are companies with durable earnings, massive cash reserves, global influence, and leading positions in software and AI. Why VGT is a strong pick for 2026. Reasons VGT stands out. Long-term performance record. VGT has outperformed the S&P 500 for over a decade. Heavy exposure to AI leaders. Concentrated tech exposure, but diversified enough to reduce single stock risk. Low expense ratio compared to competitors. Massive inflows, showing strong investor confidence. In the next decade, the companies inside VGT will likely continue dominating cloud services, AI computing power, and digital infrastructure. Ideal investor profile. VGT is perfect for long-term investors who want exposure to the fastest growing sectors, blue-chip technology stocks, lower fees, a set and forget growth ETF. If you're looking for tech-driven wealth creation, VGT is one of the strongest options available. ETF number 2, PIC, Goldman Sachs Market Beta US Large Cap Equity ETF. What makes PIC special? PIC is extremely interesting because it uses Goldman Sachs' AI-driven quantitative model to select large cap stocks. This ETF doesn't just track an index. It uses predictive analytics, machine learning, factor modeling, multivariable screening. These tools help Goldman dynamically pick stocks based on earnings quality, growth indicators, and market momentum. Key features of PIC. Some things you'll love about PIC: AI-powered stock selection methodology, low-cost exposure to high-quality large-cap companies, a balanced portfolio, unlike tech-heavy ETFs, adaptive portfolio rebalancing that adjusts as market conditions change, This is basically a smart beta ETF with an AI twist. Performance and why it matters? Goldman Sachs AI models have historically been consistent in identifying undervalued opportunities. For 2026, this matters because markets are expected to be volatile. Stock rotations will be common. Mispriced companies will appear frequently. With PIC, you're relying on data, not emotion. This ETF could outperform during uncertain or choppy markets because of its algorithmic selection approach. Who should invest in PIC? This ETF fits investors who want diversification, a data-driven strategy, exposure to large-cap market stability, better risk-adjusted returns, a modern approach to index investing. PIC is a great complement to both VGT and FTEC. ETF number 3, FTEC, Fidelity MSCI Information Technology Index ETF. FTEC is Fidelity's low-cost alternative to VGT. It tracks the same index category and has nearly identical exposure, but usually with a lower expense ratio. FTEC includes software companies, semiconductor giants, hardware innovators, IT service providers, digital infrastructure companies. Comparison: FTEC versus VGT. How does FTEC compare to VGT? Very similar holdings, very similar performance, lower fees, slightly different weightings. If you want VGT level growth but want to save on fees, FTEC is a top choice. Top holdings. Like VGT, FTEC includes Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Broadcom, AMD, Qualcomm. These companies are at the forefront of AI processors, servers, and cloud system design. Why FTEC is a great pick for 2026. FTEC provides long-term growth potential through the strongest tech companies, but with one of the lowest technology ETF fees in the industry. So if you're a long-term investor focused on cost efficiency, this ETF is a must consider. So, there you go, 3 ETFs that genuinely stand out for 2026. VGT, if you want concentrated tech growth and blue-chip AI superstars. PIC, if you want a smart, AI-powered ETF that adapts to changing market conditions. FTEC, if you want low-cost tech exposure with long-term upside. These ETFs provide diversification, growth potential, and exposure to some of the most important companies powering the future economy. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video, subscribe for more ETF analysis, and comment below which ETF you'll be buying in 2026.